Loser said he was gonna be with me!
Hey, why don't we just all be on
the same team?
Loser! Loser! Loser!
There's enough of me to go around.
Let's be called the losers.
Oh, you didn't have to.
Loser! 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 You 8 teams are all set to go, right?
Oh, Loser, what an honor it is to be on your team.
Oh, it's nothing.
Loser, I love you.
Oh, you're too funny.
Don't tell me, do you?
It's too heavy! Save us, Loser!
Sure can do.
Yay, Loser!
Wait, hold on.
Yikes!
I can't! This season's hosts are a real mess.
Tell me about it.
I almost prefer the old announcer.
Oh, Finn, I'm actually curious about the old BFDI. You gotta tell me what.
Whoa!
Daylight savings!
Oh, daylight savings is when clocks jump forward an hour.